In the quiet landscape of Ibiúna, just an hour and a half from São Paulo, House Ibiúna emerges as a modern retreat thoughtfully designed by architect Rodrigo Ohtake. Created as a weekend refuge for his family, the home reflects a personal journey deeply connected to his lineage, drawing from the artistic heritage of his grandmother, Tomi Ohtake, and the architectural legacy of his father, Rui Ohtake. Set on a vast 20,000 square meter property, the house is placed on a natural plateau, embracing the openness and serenity of its surroundings. The project began with an invitation from Syshaus, a leading Brazilian company specializing in prefabricated construction, challenging Rodrigo to create a home that broke away from the conventional modular aesthetic. Inspired by values instilled throughout his life, pushing architectural boundaries, fostering innovation, and making high-quality housing accessible, he approached the assignment as an opportunity to rethink what modular architecture could be. Constructed using lightweight metallic components, glass, and easily transportable materials, the home was prefabricated off-site and assembled on the land with efficiency and precision. The resulting structure stands as a model of intelligent and sustainable building, demonstrating how contemporary design can align seamlessly with rapid construction techniques. Upon arrival, visitors first encounter the lush rooftop garden, a living extension of the surrounding landscape, before entering open interior spaces that frame panoramic views of nature. Rodrigo's architectural language, defined by bold volumes, expressive colors, and sculptural curves, posed an intriguing contrast to the disciplined logic of modular construction. Instead of compromising, he explored the possibility of bending the system. Curved roof tiles, rounded facade elements, and flowing eaves soften the rigidity of the rectangular modules. Meanwhile, insulated industrial panels clad in aluminum form the main envelope, while perforated blue briselages add privacy and create a playful, unexpected identity for the home. To achieve both clarity and harmony, Rodrigo arranged the house's main rooms as separate volumetric modules. This spacing generates a generous central void filled with light, an open, flexible area that functions as the social heart of the home. Wrapped in large aluminum and glass frames, this shared space connects the living room, dining area, and kitchen, allowing the landscape to flow through the architecture. Inside, a vibrant orange palette energizes the interior, standing in striking contrast to the deep greens of the natural environment. With a total area of 180 square meters, the house was built in the Syshaus factory in only 90 days and installed on-site in just 30. Many of the furniture pieces were designed by Rodrigo himself, while the artwork was carefully curated by his wife. And to reinforce the home's tranquil relationship with its surroundings, the bedrooms intentionally have no curtains, inviting the morning light and the rhythm of nature to become part of everyday life. House Ibiuna is not only a family retreat but a compelling exploration of what modular architecture can become when innovation, craft, and landscape come together.